In last video, we set up the working environment for Tableau project. In this one, we're going to work on the first two charts, category performance 1 and category performance 2. In order to create this one, we can say we display the sales by category using a bar chart. And we also add an average line with the average number show up and to clearly tell us which category has a performance above the average and below the average. In order to create the first performance by category chart, we simply drop the sales to the row shelf and the category name to the column shelf. Then the bar chart has been automatically created by the Tableau. In order to show all the category name, you can increase the size of the chart so you can display all the category names. In order to display these sales numbers, you can click this button to show the numbers, or you can select all the bar and then right click it and to show the labels, or you can click this one and to show the marked labels. Then we can change the corner of the bar by clicking the corner card and select the desired corner. After that, we can add the average line by clicking the analytics and drag this average line to the table option because we want our average line to cross all the chart. By default, the average line will not going to show the number until we hover on it. So we want to customize it. So we click edit, then we select the custom and we type some word we want to display, average. Then we're going to add the value of the average. That's about it for the basic formatting. But this line is too thin. We want to it standing out, so we can customize it again by clicking the edit. So by changing the formatting, so we want to make it more thicker. So we want to use a dash line. Maybe we can also change the corner of the line. So that's somehow make this average line more easy to see. And finally, we can give this chart a name by double clicking this part and type the name you want. And you can see this sheet name will be changed automatically. And we can also add some description about this chart. So you can say with average line. And then we're going to click OK. And you can also remove some unwanted labels here. Now we're done with our first chart. So let's work on the second chart. The second chart show another level of detail. So basically we show the performance by category and by year. Okay, so let's work on it together. So we click this one to create a new worksheet. And similarly, we do the performance by category. Drag the sales to the row shelf and drag the category name to the column shelf. So we got this bar chart we just did, right? And the second name we want to add is the year. So basically a year of the order basically come from the order date. We get it from the order table. Here's the order date. We drag order date. So the Tableau will going to automatically to identify this data field. So they're going to capture the year information or the quarter information or the month information. But here we do not want the quarter and month. We only want the year information. But by default, whenever we're dealing with dates information, Tableau we are going to think that we are going to create some trend chart. So it will going to create chart like this. But here we do not want the trend chart. We want the bar chart. So we manually click this one, select the bar chart like this. So this is the bar chart by category name and by year. You can see here, right? The next step, we're going to change the corner to separate the different year. So we just drag the order dates again and put into the corner card. So that will going to tell the Tableau to change the corner of the bar by the date. The date will be picked up by the Tableau to capture the year information. So essentially, this bar chart corner will going to be decided by the year of the order date. Then similarly, we can change the corner of the bar by clicking the corner card and assign a different corner to a year. And we can also display the sales number on top of each bar by using the one of the three methods we just discussed. And after that, we also want to change the name of the chart by double-click the worksheet and type the name we want. And of course, we can also add some description about this chart by category and year. And of course, we can remove some unwanted label because we already have this category name, right? Of course, you can keep it if you want. And we're done with our second chart